So I thought this would be a good initial test. Little did I know that we had to have an initial test before the initial test. Hey everybody, this is Eric for Little Whitehouse, and we are about ready to do a video for Instant Pot. But today I am thankful for the clothes on my back. It's been a long day. Okay guys, we've had some hiccups, but we're going to try this again. We're going to try to get our initial test to see if this Instant Pot works. What they said was they want you to put 3 cups of water in the pan. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, give or take. What's the next directions, darling?
Plugged in.
It's plugged in.
Put the lid on.
Put the lid on.
Lock it on. There you go. Turn your steam release handle to sealing position.
Okay, lock in the lid, turn the steam handle to release or lock?
Sealing.
Sealing. Well, I guess that's sealing.
Select Smart Program Pressure Cook.
Smart Program Pressure Cook. Okay. 0005. We gotta go down. Okay.
There you go.
You don't hit start or something?
Nope, I already said that was preheating.
Okay, we have just switched to actual cook time. Like I told you before, this is our first Instant Pot. We've had a crock pot before. We also have a rice cooker, which does a good job, but it's about the same as a crock pot. And so it'll be interesting to see what we can do with this Instant Pot. Okay, as you can see, we are down to our last minute here on the initial testing of the Instant Pot to see if it actually will work. Okay, I select keep warm or cancel. Cancel. Now turn this off.
The venting.
Okay, this is not going to be a good place to vent. We're right next to wood. Mommy, we got boiled water. Ha 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 ha!
Just, you know, we boil water.
We didn't burn the water, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to do my next test. This has a saute button. And I have always liked sauteed mushrooms. So, we're going to see if we can saute some mushrooms and onions. I'm using country crock simply because butter has cholesterol, and I got high cholesterol right now, so I got to do everything I can to bring it down. Okay, this is our rice cooker. Right now, I got me a little bit of an onion, so we're going to cut that up. As you can tell, I'm not an accomplished chef. I just cook what I like when I do it. And the reason why I don't do it more often is because Jessica is a great cook. And the mushrooms, we got portobellas, some big ones. And then we just got some sliced white mushrooms. These were both on sale. So I grabbed them. Now, let's hit that saute button. Says normal, and it says don't put the lid on. So now we're on. Are we supposed to stir this, Mommy?
It doesn't say.
It doesn't say. Okay.
You can't, it says not to have a lid on it. I would assume.
Okay. Well, I just stirred it enough to get some goop on all of it so that hopefully it'll brown nicely, evenly, and not get scorched on one side. Oh yeah, these are looking pretty good. Hey, Mommy, come over here and look at this. This is pretty versatile. I never heard of anybody cooking this in their Instant Pot, so I thought this would be a good initial test. Little did I know that we had to have an initial test before the initial test. Okay, we got this stuff over here. These are the beans that Mommy made in the rice cooker this afternoon. It took 9 hours for that to happen, but I think from now on we can do it in 25 to 30 minutes or something, maybe 35 tops, in the Instant Pot. But I'm going to take those sauteed mushrooms and onions and put them in here. That's going to be great for lunch tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing once again. We are also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.